Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my ECOMPOSER landing page builder tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly create a stunning landing page on Shopify using ECOMPOSER. To get started, you'll need to create a Shopify account if you don't have one as yet. I'll be leaving a link in the description that will provide you with a free trial period, and then you'll only be prompted to pay $1 for the next 30 days. So after you have created your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And by the way, the template that you're seeing right now, if I were to tap on view my online store, I created this home page using gem pages. If you would like to see how I was able to do that, I'll be leaving a link in the description. Now, once on your Shopify admin page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select apps. After selecting apps, you'll tap on all recommended apps. Then you're going to tap on your Shopify App Store. After tapping on Shopify App Store, you're going to type in ECOMPOSER. After doing that, you'll select it and you're just going to install the app. And you can see that you'll be able to get started for completely free and you'll be able to set one page live. So we'll tap on install. Then we are going to be redirected to a new page and you're going to select install once more. After doing that, you'll be redirected to the ECOMPOSER builder dashboard and you're going to tap on next. Then from there you can select the theme that you're using and you're going to tap on next and you'll be prompted to enter in your store password if it has a password. And to find your password, you'll just tap on here and a new page is going to open up and you can copy your password, then go back into ECOMPOSER and paste the password right there. Then you'll tap on save. After you have done that, you'll tap on next and you can see the different type of pages that you can create, whether it is a landing page, a home page, a product page, collection page, or blog page. You can select any one of these options. Then you'll tap on select template and you can scroll down and there are numerous templates that you can choose from depending on the type of store that you are creating. Once you have found a template that you like, let's say for example this template, you'll tap on select, then you're going to tap on next in the top right hand corner. From here you can add in your page title, so you could add in your page title right there and you could add in your page handle and this will be displayed in the page URL, so I'll just call it test. Then you'll tap on start building. After selecting start building, you'll be redirected to the editor page and you can see right here, choose how you want to insert this template and I'll just tap on insert right there. After you have tapped on insert, you can start editing your landing page. So for instance, let's say we would like to change the image. You can select the current image, then go over to the left hand menu option and you can tap on edit and you could replace the image. It is beginner friendly and easy to use. You can select a text box, go over to the left hand column and you can change the text. It's as easy as that. Just scroll down and change whatever you want on the page by selecting it. And by the way, by going over to the left hand menu option, you can also tap on the different sections right there. So you could tap on the section that you would like to change, as you can see right there, and you could edit it just like that if you want. You can also tap on elements from the top left hand corner and you could drag and place whichever element you want on the page, whether you like to add a slider, a video, testimonial, countdown timer, anything at all that you like to add, you'll find it right here. You can also tap on Shopify and you can see different options, whether you would like to add product filter or so on, or a collection, you can quickly add it to your page. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. After tapping on publish, from here you'll just tap on save and publish. After you have tapped on save and publish, you're going to give it a few seconds and then from there you'll realize that the page has now been installed. So if we were to tap on view, you can see right there that I now have a stunning landing page that was created by ECOMPOSER. And just like that, it's the end of the tutorial. If you have any questions that you would like to ask, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.